Just a little express version how to fix your brake light switch of the Renault Kangoo or similar cars. So this is a fully analog switch you can open up with a flathead screwdriver. Then you open this one up, and here you go. And then you see this little metal plate. You can push it, and there's a spring. Okay, so there we go. And there are these little two contacts in there, and they close it. And all the currency, all the power is flowing just above these little points here, so you can get some coal on it. So just push it down, scratch it free, and if you've done it, you can maybe use some brake disc cleaner for additional cleaning. So if it doesn't work after you scratched it free and cleaned it with some cleaner, make sure these contacts are close enough to each other. So these little things, you can just gentle push them down, not too often, they may break, and you close the gap, so the gap is even smaller. And after you've done it, just get the thing together, put some oil in it if you want, and make sure you get this little thing here, this little feather, into this gap. Okay, push it together, and that's it. And that's it. That's how you repair your brake light switch from a Renault Kangoo or a similar car. Make sure to buy a new one if you did it, because, well, problems might disappear, but they will come back, probably. And new one's cheap for $8 or so. But if you're on the road and you really need to repair it, that's how you do it with easy tools.